The scientific secret to stopping aging. After 50. Most people believe that aging means losing vitality, but that's not the case. The tragedy is that every day millions of older adults are accelerating their own aging without even realizing it. They do it every time they make poor food choices. I'm Manuel Granada, an adult care specialist with a master's degree in basic biomedical sciences, and today I'm not here to give you tricks. I'm here to give you science. Today, I'm going to show you 20 scientifically proven foods that can slow down aging from the inside out. They aren't trendy, magical superfoods. They are biological tools. If you're over 50, this video can be a game changer for your health, your skin, and your daily energy. Stay with me because what I'm about to explain will change the way you see your kitchen forever. Let's start by talking generally about what happens. As time goes by, our bodies remind us that nothing is eternal. Wrinkles appear, strength is lost, metabolism slows down, and our minds don't seem to be what they used to be. We feel that energy drop at 4 p.m. We notice that our skin no longer has the same elasticity, that our knees creak when we climb stairs. But what many people don't realize is that the rate of aging doesn't depend solely on DNA, but also on daily habits. Think of your DNA as the blueprint of a building. It's fundamental, but your habits, what you eat, how you sleep, how much you move, are the building materials and the maintenance crew. You can have the best blueprint in the world, but if you use cheap materials and never repair leaks, the building will collapse long before its time. And one of the most powerful and yet most ignored habits is diet. Today, I want you to explore with me how science has shown that certain foods can protect your cells, boost your energy, and improve your quality of life. But first, I want to make this clear. This video does not replace medical advice or follow-up with your family doctor. What you'll hear here are educational tips based on scientific evidence, designed to help you make better choices. Now let's get inside the lab. We need to understand that aging isn't just about getting older. It's a complex biological process. It's the result of three main processes: oxidative stress, chronic inflammation, and loss of cellular regeneration. Let's break them down. First, what is oxidative stress? Every day, free radicals, those unstable molecules that form when we breathe, eat, or are exposed to the sun, damage our cells. Think of a free radical as a spark that jumps from a campfire and lands on dry paper. That spark is unstable and needs to steal an electron from another molecule to calm down, but in doing so, it damages the paper. It damages your DNA, your proteins, and the fats in your cell membranes. It's the same process that rusts a nail, leaving it brown and brittle. That happens inside you. But antioxidants, present in certain foods, can neutralize that damage. They're like a fire extinguisher at the molecular level. They put out the spark before it burns the paper. Second, let's understand why low-grade chronic inflammation occurs. I'm not talking about acute inflammation, like when you bump yourself and it swells up. That's good. It's a healing response. I'm talking about a silent enemy, constant, low-level inflammation that never goes away. It's caused by chronic stress, lack of sleep, and above all, a diet high in sugars and processed fats. This inflammation is the hidden engine behind arthritis, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and cognitive decline. It's a silent killer that accelerates the wear and tear on your entire system. And third, why do our cells age? Our cells are programmed to divide and repair themselves. But with each division, the ends of our chromosomes, called telomeres, shorten. Think of them like the plastic tips on your shoelaces. As long as they're intact, the lace works. When they wear down, the lace frays. When telomeres become too short, the cell enters senescence. It stops dividing. It becomes a zombie cell that, instead of repairing you, releases inflammatory substances that age neighboring cells. Oxidative stress, inflammation, and cellular senescence. These are the three horsemen of the apocalypse of your age. The good news? Proper nutrition can become your most powerful preventative medicine. It repairs, balances, and protects. The right food can send signals to your genes. It can tell your body, calm the inflammation. It can tell you it activates repair enzymes. It can even protect the length of your telomeres. And that's exactly what the 20 anti-aging foods we'll talk about today do. They're the army you'll recruit to fight those 3 horsemen. Let's start our list. Number 1. Almonds, your skin's natural shield. Rich in vitamin E and healthy fatty acids, almonds protect your cells from oxidative stress. Vitamin E is a fat-soluble antioxidant, meaning it dissolves in fat. And where is the most important fat in your cell? In its membrane, its protective wall. Vitamin E inserts itself into that wall and defends it from attacks by free radicals. A daily handful strengthens your skin, improves your concentration, and reduces internal inflammation. The magnesium they contain also relaxes blood vessels, helping to control blood pressure. Number 2. Blueberries. They help your memory and brain longevity. They're full of anthocyanins, the pigments that give them that deep blue color. These are antioxidants with a special ability. They can cross the blood-brain barrier. They reach your brain. Studies show that anthocyanins improve communication between neurons and promote autophagy, the brain's cellular cleaning process, sweeping away toxic proteins that accumulate with age. Add them to your smoothies or yogurt. They're a natural shield for your mind. Number 3. Avocados. They provide rejuvenating fats. Fear of fat has made us age faster. We need the right kind of fat. Avocados contain monounsaturated fats, the same as in olive oil, which are powerfully anti-inflammatory. They also contain vitamin C and lutein, essential for collagen, eye health, and skin elasticity. Lutein, in particular, protects your eyes from the harmful effects of blue light from screens. Half an avocado a day is enough to strengthen your heart and keep you radiant. Number 4. Broccoli, an antioxidant and regenerator. Here we're talking about a superstar. Broccoli is a source of sulforaphane, vitamin C and K. Sulforaphane is a fascinating compound. It's not a direct antioxidant, but it activates your body's own detoxification systems. It signals your genes to produce protective enzymes. Broccoli fights inflammation and improves immune function. A key tip: steaming it preserves its regenerative power and helps your skin stay firm. Don't boil it until it's mushy and gray. That destroys its properties. Number 5. Extra virgin olive oil, known as liquid gold, rich in polyphenols such as oleocanthal. Olive oil protects the heart and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Oleocanthal has an anti-inflammatory effect similar to ibuprofen, but without the side effects. Olive oil helps keep your arteries flexible and clear, but the key is in the words extra virgin. And here's one: use it raw to preserve all its benefits. Extreme heat destroys its delicate polyphenols. Use it for dressing, not for high-temperature frying. Number 6. Walnuts. They boost brain health. If avocados are monounsaturated fat, walnuts are the queens of plant-based omega-3, alpha-linolenic acid or ALA. Your brain is made of fat, and it needs this fat to repair itself. Thanks to their plant-based omega-3, they improve memory and cardiovascular health. A handful a day keeps your mind clear and reduces overall inflammation. Their brain-like shape is a clue from nature. Moving on. Now let's talk about pigments. The color on your plate is synonymous with protection. Number 7. We have tomatoes. They provide sun protection from within. The lycopene in tomatoes, the pigment that gives them their red color, is an antioxidant that accumulates in your skin and protects it from the sun from within, preventing premature aging caused by UV radiation. And here's a scientific secret. Cooking it with olive oil improves its absorption. Lycopene is released with heat and is absorbed better with fat. A homemade tomato sauce with olive oil is a true elixir of youth. Number 8. In 8th place is dark chocolate or pure cocoa. It has antioxidant properties. Good news! Pure cocoa contains flavonoids that improve circulation and lift your mood. These flavonoids help produce nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes your blood vessels, lowering blood pressure and improving blood flow to the brain and skin. But don't confuse it with sweetened milk chocolate. Choose chocolate with more than 70% cocoa to get all its benefits. Dark is better. Number 9, pomegranate. Scientific evidence shows that it has the ability to regenerate cells. This is my personal favorite. Pomegranate is rich in punicolagens and anthocyanins. These compounds not only stimulate collagen and improve skin firmness. Recent research suggests recycling defective mitochondria. Mitochondria are the power plants of your cells. Recycling them is like replacing old batteries in an engine with new ones. A glass of natural pomegranate juice a day is a great gift for your skin. We can't be young if we're constantly sick. The next group focuses on strengthening your defenses. Number 10. Next up is garlic, a heart protector and immune system booster that defends you against pathogenic microorganisms. Garlic is ancient history. Allicin, the compound released when you cut or crush it, reduces blood pressure and bad cholesterol, LDL. But beyond its benefits for the heart, it acts as a powerful natural antibiotic and strengthens the immune system. It helps your white blood cells be more effective. The trick: cut it and let it sit for 10 minutes before cooking so the allicin can fully develop. Number 11. Kiwi, a natural vitamin C boost. Forget fizzy supplements. A single kiwi provides more vitamin C than an orange. Vitamin C is crucial, not only for strengthening your immune system, but also because it's the fundamental building block for collagen synthesis. Without vitamin C, your body can't produce collagen, and your skin loses firmness. Kiwi is ideal for maintaining energy and radiant skin. Number 12. Watercress, a source of hydration and cellular oxygenation. This is a forgotten superfood. Watercress is incredibly nutrient-dense. It contains vitamins A, C, and K, and minerals that oxygenate skin cells. It has a unique antioxidant profile that seems to neutralize free radicals specifically in sun-exposed skin cells. Regular consumption improves skin texture and tone. It's like a spa salad. Number 13. In 13th place is the carrot. You may have heard that it improves vision and acts as a skin shield. What your grandmother told you is true. Thanks to being a source of beta-carotene, your body converts it into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential. It helps in the production of new skin cells. A lack of vitamin A causes dry, flaky skin. Carrots regenerate the skin and protect eyesight, specifically night vision. Number 14. Green tea, an excellent energizer. Green tea is more than just a hot beverage. It is rich in catechins, especially EGCG, epigallocatechin gallate. This molecule is a powerful anti-inflammatory, protects the heart, and stimulates the brain. The combination of caffeine, in low doses, and L-theanine, an amino acid, found in green tea produces a state of calm alertness, improving cognitive function without the jitters of coffee. 2 cups a day can transform your energy. We are not what we eat. We are what we absorb. And after 50, digestion and hormonal balance are key, which is why we need to talk about our last food group. Our number 15 food, papaya. It's a digestive aid and a vitality booster. With age, we produce fewer digestive enzymes. Since papaya contains papain, an enzyme that breaks down proteins, it improves digestion and nutrient absorption. If you feel heavy after eating meat or chicken, a piece of papaya can be the solution. In addition, its cocktail of vitamins A and C promotes more elastic skin. Number 16. Sweet potato. Known as the sweet fountain of youth. We often fear carbohydrates, but the sweet potato is an ally. It's rich in vitamins C and E and is one of the best sources of beta-carotene, like carrots. It protects the skin and, thanks to its fiber, stabilizes blood sugar. Unlike white potatoes, it releases its energy slowly. It's a healthy carbohydrate that nourishes without causing inflammation. Number 17. In 17th place, oats. This keeps your heart strong and your skin firm. Oats are the breakfast of longevity. They contain soluble fiber, specifically beta-glucan. This fiber acts like a sponge in your gut. It traps bad cholesterol, LDL, and removes it from your body. In addition, it contains zinc and selenium, crucial trace minerals for skin repair. It's ideal for regulating cholesterol and keeping skin firm and healthy. Number 18, turmeric, the natural anti-inflammatory. If chronic inflammation is the silent fire, turmeric is the firefighter. Its active compound, curcumin, is one of the most potent natural anti-inflammatories studied by science. It reduces chronic inflammation systemically and protects neurons from oxidative stress. The golden tip: add it with a pinch of black pepper. The piperine in black pepper increases the absorption of curcumin by 2,000%. Number 19. In second to last place are flax seeds or linseeds. They provide elasticity and hormonal balance, especially important for women after menopause. They are rich in plant-based omega-3, ALA, but their secret weapon is lignans. Lignans are phytoestrogens, plant compounds that can modulate the effects of estrogen in the body. They help balance hormones, reducing hot flashes, and protecting against certain types of imbalances. They also keep skin supple. Important: consume them ground. If you eat them whole, the seeds will pass through your system without releasing their nutrients. Number 20, and in 20th place, the red bell pepper, an energizer and antioxidant. We close the list with an explosion of color and health. The red bell pepper has more than twice the vitamin C of an orange. It's an incredible source. Its vitamin C and carotenoids, which give it its color, strengthen the immune system and fight free radicals. Eating it raw or sautéed improves the absorption of its antioxidants, helping to combat aging. It's the finishing touch for a rock-solid immune system. Eating this at 50 will completely change your body. Many believe that aging is inevitable, but every food choice can make a difference. But I want to be very clear. The magic isn't in a single food. You're not going to look 10 years younger by eating almonds if the rest of your diet is a disaster. The power lies in synergy. The power lies in tomatoes with olive oil, in turmeric with pepper, in combining blueberries, antioxidants, with oats, fiber. Eating well isn't a fad or a luxury. It's a way of respecting your body and the years you have left to live. These foods aren't miraculous. They're allies. They're helpers. They will help you if you make them part of a more mindful lifestyle, accompanied by rest, physical activity, and regular medical checkups. Eating broccoli is useless if you only sleep 4 hours and live in a state of toxic stress. The real scientific secret isn't a food, it's balance. It's extinguishing the fire of inflammation. It's giving your cells the building blocks they need to repair themselves. Remember, youth isn't measured by the age on your ID, but by the health of your cells. It's about functionality, about vitality. It's about being 65 and being able to bend down to play with your grandchildren without pain. It's about being 70 and maintaining the mental sharpness to learn a new language. It's about being 80 and still being independent. That's slowing down aging, not vanity, but independence. At the Adult Health Institute, we believe that knowledge is the most powerful tool for living longer and better. My mission isn't just to give you a list, it's to help you understand the reasoning behind each choice. I ask 3 things of you: subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss our next masterclass, and share this video with someone who needs to take care of their health and rediscover their vitality. And if you liked this video, you'll surely like the one about the importance of flavonoids and their properties. If you want to live longer, go watch it. Because time passes, yes, but aging can be slowed down.